My place is in dire need of a makeover.
Firstly, it's our place. और मैं कब से तुमको बोल रहा हूं टू सिट विद मी पर आप मैडम सारा दिन सिर्फ काम और काम.
We can have a feature wall at our place, while the rest of the walls can have the same color. Why don't we get new curtains for our bedroom?
शुरुआत अच्छी है. बस आप एंथुजियाज्म बनाए रखना मैडम. धीरे धीरे घर भी बन जाएगा.
The floral design was slightly whimsical.
The modern geometric pattern
It
is more dynamic.
I get it. You are right. Fine. The one with light wood finish was great, but the sweet mocha one had novelty.
You are so right. But you have to agree that the curtains added a cherry on top.
And together, it completed the look.
Like how you complete me.
साथ निभाओगे ऐसे ही हमेशा.
Here's to our नया घर.
नई शुरुआत.